Hey guys, Roshos here, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be doing a Roblox scripting tutorial. I know I bounce from thing to thing, but I should be continuing this for a little while. Alright, so today we are going to be going over Leaderstats. So there are multiple ways we can do this. One is just doing a lengthy script, and two is adding it in server storage. That is up to you. I'm going to be showing you both ways. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So first, you're going to want to make a script. I am going to rename this script right here to Leaderstats. All right. So first thing we want to do is, get rid of this. First, we're going to need the player service so that we can get the player added and so that we can actually make it so that when the player joins, it actually adds the function or adds the leader stats and all that. So you're going to do local player service equals game : get service, and then it's going to be players. Then we're going to go down, and then we're going to do a player service dot player added : connect, and then we're going to leave that be for a second. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to come through here, right here, and we're going to do local function, and we're going to call it setup leader stats. Alright, we're going to do that. We're going to pass player in, and we're going to just press enter once you're on the end of it. So now we can go ahead and do setup leader stats right here. Alright, you do not want the brackets, you just want like that. Alright, so there you go. This is the basics. So now if you were to go ahead and do print and just do test, and I go ahead and pull up my output so that you can see it, which is going to be over there, and we go ahead and click play. When I join, it'll say test, as you can see right there. So we know that that works now. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back to here, get rid of that, and we're going to go ahead and start making our variables. So first, we need the folder that is going to be named Leaderstats. Alright? So, so we're going to do local Leaderstats is equal to instance.new folder. Alright? Then we're going to do local cache. This is up to you. You can name these next ones whatever you want. And then you're going to do instance.new, and you're going to do int value. I'm going to do just one more to show that it works with multiple things. But I would recommend going over, I think it's like 6, I do believe, because then it starts covering up the whole screen. So rebirth, instance.new, int value. Alright, so now that we have all of our variables right here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do Leaderstats dot name is equal to, and you have to name this exactly like I do, leader stats, no capitals whatsoever. It has to be like this or it will not show up. Alright, then you need to do Leaderstats dot parent, and you need to parent it to the player variable that we have that we passed in right there. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and set up the cache and rebirth variable. So you're going to do cache dot name is equal to, and you can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to put cache. And cache dot parent is going to be equal to Leaderstats. Alright. Then you're going to do rebirth, or your other one, if you do have another one, dot name. You can name it whatever you want. You're going to go ahead and do rebirth. Rebirth. And then you also got to go ahead and set its parent to Leaderstats. So when we join in, it should be on the top right of our screen right there, showing that we are that we have initiated it. And there you go. It's right there. As you can see, cache rebirths. Alright, so that's option 1 on how to do it. Alright, next is option 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here, we're going to disable this script for me, create a new one, I'm gonna call this storage leader stats. You can name this whatever you want. It doesn't matter. All right. So we're going to need to do the same thing as we did in this script, which is get the player service, but we're also going to have to get one more. So first let's get player service is equal to game get service, and then players, and local server storage is equal to game get storage, or service, sorry, and then server storage. All right. We're going to do like we did before, player service dot player add-in connect. And we're going to go here, local function set up storage leader stats. Do that and that. Put that up there. Add player to right here. So this is going to include a for loop so that we can go through everything that's going to be in here. So what we're going to want to do first is we're going to want to make a new folder called player. All right. So anything you want added to your player is going to go under here. All right. So we're going to make a new folder called Leaderstats. Now you have to make sure this is all lowercase and spelled correctly, because this is what's going to get cloned into the player when they join. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add a int value for, let's say, gold, and then a new int value for, let's say, rubies. All right. So we're going to go ahead and go back to our script. Now it's going to be a for I colon v in server storage dot player colon get children, and then you're going to go ahead and press enter and open it up. So if you want, you can also just do a quick print v dot name. And then it should show as Leaderstats. If you look right here in output, yep, Leaderstats. So it got the folder inside of server storage, as you've seen. All right. So now we're just going to make sure that the thing that we are copying is a folder. So we're going to do if v dot is colon is a, and we're going to go ahead and put quotes here, and then we're going to do folder, and then you're going to press enter at the end. And you're going to do local, clone is equal to v colon clone. There you go. And then clone dot parent is equal to player. So if we click play, there you go, golden rubies. You click here, click here, click here, there you go. And I can also show you that it works with multiple things. So if we go ahead and add a new folder to the player, and we name this, let's just say stuffs, and let's just say a remote event and a script. I don't know if this will work. I haven't tried this before. So we're just going to click that. No errors. So we go here, stuffs, and there you go. It works with all things. So there you go, guys. This was just a quick tutorial. Next episode that I do, or next video on Roblox Studio, is going to be how to increment. I'm just going to do that. So it's going to be how to increment the values. So like gold or rubies or cash or rebirths or something like that. All right. So that'll be in the next episode, guys. So if you want to see more, hit the like button down below. Comment section, hit the dislike button if you want to. It doesn't matter. Subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. You can undo it whenever you want. But I'll see you guys in the next episode, guys. Bye.